Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this lovely 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof, there's full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter. The car can even call the emergency services in an accident. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 10,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.